Have you ever found yourself in this sort of a situation, struggling to analyze or present complex data? Now imagine if you could instead transform this complex looking data into an easy to interpret dashboard like this instead, so you could visualize your data and get valuable insights from it just at one glance. To learn this essential skill and step up your Power BI game, join me for my 3 hours Power BI dashboard workshop. Hi. My name is Aditya Goenka and I'm an alumni of IIT Kharagpur. I'm also the co-founder of multiple 8-figure startups like Office Master, V10X and Mad About Sports. I'm being able to manage all of these startups because of the help of visualization tools like Power BI. So, in my 3 hours workshop on Power BI, I'll be teaching you everything about Power BI right from scratch and make you a master in it. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link below, sign up for the workshop. I'll see you inside the workshop.